Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install RedTrack affiliate tracking for campaign monitoring, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by navigating to the RedTrack website. If you don't have an account yet, click on the sign up button to create one. Once registered, log into your RedTrack account. On the dashboard, look for the Campaigns tab on the left sidebar. Click on Campaigns to access the campaign management area. Here, you'll see an option to add a new campaign. Click on the Add Campaign button. You will be prompted to fill in the campaign details. Start by entering the campaign name in the provided field. Next, select the traffic source you intend to use for this campaign. Once you've chosen your traffic source, move on to the Tracking URL section. In the Tracking URL section, you can either use the default template or customize your own. Make sure to include necessary parameters for effective tracking. After setting up the tracking URL, proceed to the Offers section. Select the offer that you want to promote within this campaign. If you haven't added any offers yet, you can do so by clicking the Add Offer button. Fill in the required details for the offer, then save it. Returning to the campaign setup, locate the Budget section. Enter your desired daily or total budget for this campaign. Next, check the geo-targeting section if you want to refine your audience. Select relevant countries or regions where you want your ads to appear. Once all sections are completed, review the campaign settings. If everything looks good, click the Save button to finalize the campaign. Now, navigate to the Tracking Links tab to create tracking links for your ads. Click on the Add Tracking Link button to proceed. Fill in the required information such as link name and URL destination. Make sure to integrate the tracking parameters for proper monitoring. After entering the necessary details, save the tracking link. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.